This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can manually set up the camera brightness level on this device. So without further ado, in order to be able to regulate or adjust how bright your picture is going to be, you just gotta tap anywhere at the viewfinder. As you can see, this little focus square and the sun icon appears, and basically if you would like to make your shot darker, you just gotta slide this sun icon to the bottom. If you would like to brighten your shot up, or well, it didn't sound quite right, so if you would like to brighten your photo up, you can just move this sunny slider all the way up or to the top. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any comments or suggestions, do not hesitate to leave them at the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.